Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. Children, don't forget to use the sanitizer and mask while you are going outside, and wash your hands frequently. Welcome back to the online classes of English. Today I am going to teach 10th class English. So in the previous video we have seen about Abraham Lincoln and some of the list of failures of Abraham Lincoln. After seeing the failures list, do you say that Abraham Lincoln is a failure? No, you should not say like that. He didn't quit. Despite of his failures, he succeeded. He tried again and again, and he reached his goal to become a president in order to abolish the slavery. According to him, defeat is a detour, not a dead end. What is detour? Detour means a route that is used when the usual one is closed. I will say in detail. For example, daily you will reach your home in a particular way. You will go daily in that way only. Imagine an accident happened in the middle of the road, which is on the way to go to your home. So what will you do? Will you stop there itself, or will you find another route to go to your home? Definitely everyone will find another route to go to their home. So here also it is applicable to our success and failure. If we got a failure, we should not stop there. We should go in another way to reach our goal. So this is one of the inspiration we got from Abraham Lincoln. We will see another great person in this video, that is Lee De Forest. Lee De Forest, the con man who created radio. What did Lee De Forest invented? He invented a triodes tube. A triodes tube. Do you know what the triodes tube? He invented triodes tube in 1913. Do you know what the triode tube actually means? Triode tube is a vacuum tube which can amplify the signals, any weak signals, and it turns the signals into the electric current, which are used in radio broadcasting, television and telephones, and all other electronic appliances. Nowadays also, we are using that in the digital gadgets, digital electronics in everywhere. So this is about triodes tube. According to Daniel Beaver, the close observer of Lee De Forest told that the intense desire to overcome the deficiencies of the childhood of Lee De Forest account for his independence, self-reliance and intense inventiveness. So because of the deficiencies he faced in childhood, he had a strong desire. He displays the strong desire to achieve something, to conquer the hardship, and to devote himself for the career of invention. He had all the qualities of the traditional inventor. He has a self-confidence, perseverance, and he has the capacity for the sustained hard work. Do you know, when Lee De Forest invented this triodes tube, he faced so many humiliations. He was charged by the district attorney. Do you know who the attorney means? Attorney. Attorney means a lawyer. Attorney means a lawyer. He discharged a complaint filed against Lee De Forest that he was using the public for his fraudulent means to book his set of he was humiliated that he is misleading the public by using the company stocks. He was publicly humiliated. If he give up at that time, can you imagine without his invention what may have? Can we imagine now without his invention? Now you can't stay in home without seeing TV. Will you? Yes. Always. If you have a small time, then you will prefer to watch TV. I know. So, without his invention, is it possible? No. He invented Audion, triode tube. These two are the components of electronic appliances, and he invented phonofilm. With this phonofilm, he introduced the sound to the movies. So, can we have, without phonofilm, can we have a perfect movie? No. So, though he faced so many humiliations, he didn't give up. He has a strong desire to achieve something. That's why this Lady Forrest became the father of radio. Despite of all the humiliations, he is considered as the father of radio. So, dear children, this is one of the inspirational story of Lady Forrest. In tomorrow, another video, you will learn some other person who achieved success despite of their failures.
Everyone are going to tease you till you reach a position. And when you reach a position, everyone are going to tell you, I told you, right? You were the best. And when you fall down, they are going to tell to you, I told you, right? Don't go so much. This is life, and it's okay. We are taught to be like that. We are always taught to be like that. And just watch on your feelings. If you have a serious feeling to tease others, it is lack